Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can provide feedback when you're doing your peer review. So you'll be assigned automatically another paper in the class, and you should have the toolbars here to make comments and edits along with providing feedback for it with the rubric. Obviously the score on the rubric will not be the score you receive for this rough draft, but it's just your interpretation of how that student's work that you're peer reviewing is according to the rubric that I've provided for you. So this is from a different class, but you could add comments, clarify if there is something that doesn't make sense. You can use it to ask questions. You can, underline things that maybe need to be clarified. You can, be sure to make comments about things that you like. This is interesting. You really want to be trying to, provide as much feedback as you can. You can do make edits. Use the text bar to say, different word choice or things like that. But really use these toolbars to make your edits within the person's rough draft so that when they get it back, they can have real specific feedback. Then you can also just make your comments here, and that's it.